Hello everyone and welcome to class of Amazon EC2 features. So today we are going to discuss about next feature of Amazon EC2, which is elastic IP address. So elastic IP addresses, these are the static IP addresses and these are associated to your account. We can control that address until you release it. Rather than waiting on a data technician that it can come and configure or replace your host or waiting for a DNS to propagate to all your customers, Amazon EC2 enables you to engineer around problems with your instance or software by quickly remapping your elastic IP address to a replacement instance. Elastic IP address allow you to mask instance or availability zone failures because it remap by public IP address to your instance in your account. So these are designed for dynamic cloud computing. This is elastic IP address and which is associated with our account. Next feature of Amazon EC2 is Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. Now, Virtual Private Cloud is logically a isolated section of AWS cloud where we can launch our resources in a virtual network that we are defining. So virtual private cloud is a logically isolated section in the cloud where we can launch our resources. So in virtual private cloud, we have a complete control over the environment. We can create a hardware connection between the data center and virtual private cloud. That means we have a complete control over, including selection of IP address range. We can create subnets. We can configure route tables and network gateways. We can also create a hardware virtual private network connection between the corporate data center and your virtual private cloud. So this is the feature of EC2, which is virtual private cloud. Next we have Amazon CloudWatch. Now this CloudWatch, it provides you with visibility into resource utilization, operational performance and overall demand patterns, including matrices such as CPU utilization, disk read and writes, and network traffic. We can get statics, we can view graphs and set alarms on our data. To use Amazon CloudWatch, we require to select Amazon EC2 instance that we like to monitor. We can also supply our own business and application metric data. Amazon CloudWatch will begin aggregating and sorting, monitoring data on a web service or a command line tools. So this is basically a web service which provides monitoring of AWS cloud resources. We have a visibility, we can get statics and we can set alarms. We can simply select the instance which we require to monitor. Next feature, we are having a feature of auto scaling. Auto scaling is enabled by Amazon CloudWatch, which is available at no additional charge beyond Amazon CloudWatch fees. So that means with the help of auto scaling, we can automatically scale your EC2 capacity up and down according to the conditions. So why we require to scale down to minimize cost? And why we require to scale up if we have more need? With auto scaling, we can ensure that number of EC2 instances that we are using scales up during demand spikes. That means increase in demand so that we can maintain the performance. This is about auto scaling feature. We will continue with EC2 features in our next class. Thank you so much.